What's going on, everybody, and welcome back to the vlog. Hope everybody's staying healthy and safe out there. Put together a quick video that you're going to see here in just a second around applying Adam's new graphene ceramic coat. I'm no expert when it comes to detailing, but I have been using Adams for several years. Not sponsored by them, not affiliated with them, nor is Lloyd's Detail. However, pretty impressed with the product thus far. The truck looks brand new, looks amazing. Full disclosure, the paint wasn't really in any kind of bad shape. We had to remove some minor scratches and obviously do the pre-work for the ceramic coat application. But hope you enjoy the video, and yeah, thank you. Comment, like, and subscribe. Let's do it.